Here too, how are you? Today we're continuing the structure of the stem. The structure of the stem. As we said that before, the stem, here is the structure of the stem. It's one of the important parts of the plant that is important to know how to transport substance. As we said that before, we have three layers: epidermis, cortex, and vascular sphincter. Epidermis is the first layer, and the cortex contains of parenchyma cells and collenchyma cells. And third layer we are talking about it today, which is start with pre-cycles. Look, where is the pre-cycle here? Is a pre-cycle here is the first one found in the vascular sphincter. After that we have, look here, we have what? We have cambium, and we have medullary rays, and we have xylem, and we have phloem here. Okay, this is a phloem one. So here the first one pre-cycle, then phloem, then cambium, then xylem, then medullary rays. Then the last one is peth. Here is the transverse section. Here is the section also of vascular bundle. Here is a longitudinal section, which before I see it is a longitudinal section, but here is a transverse section. Okay, the difference between them. Transverse section here, it's also seen that is the epidermis layer and the first one here. Then here is a phloem, and here is a xylem, and between xylem and the phloem there is a cambium, and all xylem and the phloem called vascular bundle. Okay, so let's start with the pre-cycle here. It's one of the first layer of the vascular bundle. It consists of alternative growth of parenchyma cells made of fibers, and they have a definite shape for it. And this definite shape helps it to support the plant and give it what? Elasticity. Yes, it helps the plant to be elastic and to be more elastic. The second layer here after that is a phloem. Yeah, the phloem is a bundle that following the pre-cycle tissue, and is one of the vascular bundle. Okay, it's outer tissue of the bundle before the xylem. It consists of two. Here, for example. I'm sorry. It consists of two parts, which are sieve tubes and the companion tubes. And the companion tubes is important to give the energy to the sieve tube. And sieve tube is a compensated cells which have streaming cytoplasmic uh, streaming of cytoplasm. As a sieve tube is a tube made up of cells that comprise together and forming a tube that have pores, and the cytoplasm that running inside it as a streaming one. And also they have a phloem parenchyma that attach to the phloem. The importance of phloem is transport the organic food or organic substance. Okay, here we are talking about also about the xylem, the second part of the bundle. It is the inert part of the bundle and it consists of xylem, vessels, and tracheids. Two parts only, xylem and tracheids. And the function of the xylem is translocation or transportation of the water and the solute from from what to where hand from where to where, from root to stem to leaves. Okay, so it's the function of the xylem. After that we have cambium. The cambium separates between what? Between xylem and the phloem. It's one of the row of the meristematic cells. One of the meristematic cells that help them, one of the cells that grow faster and fill the gap between the phloem and xylem. Okay, and its function very important to give rise or to increase the size or to give rise between of the secondary phloem and secondary xylem. It's just for increasing their size. Okay. After that we have, I'm sorry here guys, after that we have peth. What is the peth? Here we have peth. The peth is the last layer here of the vascular bundle. It consists of parenchyma cells and occupies the centers of the stem. And its function here, it helps for the storage. Where is the peth? You want to see the peth? Here is the peth. It's just for storage, the what obtained from the photosynthesis process. Okay. for storage, so it's function only for storage one. Okay. Okay, here after that we took the medullary rays. They are rose parenchyma cells that extended between the vascular bundles to join the cortex with the pith. Just for joining between them. Between what? Between cortex and pith. Where is the medullary rays? The medullary rays here. It just join between the cortex here. Yeah, where is the cortex here? Yes, this layer. The medullary rays connect between the cortex and the path. Just all the structure of the stem. We'll continue this part inshallah next video. Thank you. Goodbye.